Stocks are falling, but XRP is actually rising, guys. Watch the end of this video so you know why this is happening. Let's get into this. So we see right now the market is up a little bit. We're up 2.4%. And right now in the 24-hour section, we go here 2.3% for Bitcoin, Ethereum 4.18, XRP 1.21. So we're up a little bit for everything. And if we go here, see XRP hasn't moved a whole lot, but it is rising, guys. We see that on the month we're still down. That's not really a surprise. But in the 24 hours, we're up 1.2%. And things have been continuing to be good for XRP right now. And in this time frame. And so has it for Bitcoin, Ethereum, a ton of other cryptos. And we look over here and stocks are not doing too well. We see the NASDAQ down 14 points, Dow down 352 points, S&P 500 down 26 points. And this is interesting because we know that for a lot of the times when something goes bad or something goes positive, the stocks and crypto have usually had a brother and sister kind of relationship where stocks go down, crypto goes down, stocks go down, and vice versa, that type of thing. But we are starting to drift a little bit more away from that than we have in a very long time. And we see right now crypto is up and stocks are down. And this is kind of how we've seen it. We've seen this happen a lot more than it has in the past. We're talking back years. It hasn't happened as much as it has started to happen in recent times. And we're going to get into why this is happening. And let's just jump into that, guys. So we're going to go over a few reasons why crypto is up, why XRP is up, and the stocks are not. Okay. So one, the geopolitical tension is hitting stocks harder. Global tensions around the Middle East and oil supply has been a big problem right now, are causing fear in traditional markets. Oil prices have surged above $100, and that's pressuring global equities. When this happens, investors sell stocks, risk off behavior, but some move capital into alternative stocks like Bitcoin, kind of diversify their assets. In some cases, Bitcoin is acting like a digital hedge, similar to gold. So this is growing popularity. This idea of Bitcoin being a safe haven, it's growing because it used to only be gold, really only gold, where something goes bad in the stock market, crypto market, you move your money into gold. But ideas are starting to shift. Sentiment is starting to shift toward putting money into Bitcoin, actually, when things aren't going good for, let's say, stocks. If you're a stock investor, things aren't going great. You move your money into Bitcoin. So it's kind of it's rotating to more of that digital hedge kind of for the crypto market, especially. But just overall, it's starting to be a little bit more viewed as comfortable, like a safe haven as gold. It's starting to be perceived more and more as that, and ideas and popularity is growing behind that. So I think that is very cool, and I really like that idea, and I like that it's growing too. So Bitcoin is temporarily decoupling from stocks. For most of 2024 through 2025, crypto and tech stocks moved together, but recently that correlation has dropped significantly. Correlation between Bitcoin and the NASDAQ dropped from 92% to 69%. That means crypto can now rise even if stocks fall, which is what you're seeing. So this is very interesting. It's happening a lot more than it has in the past. And I really do think it's interesting. And I think it's different because stocks move down and we're kind of used to moving down with stocks. And right now we're not. But also on the flip side, this could potentially go the other way where stocks go up and crypto doesn't. So we can kind of see that play out too. It's just interesting because right now we're in the winning side of things and stocks aren't necessarily. So that is interesting to see how that is kind of playing out and kind of flipping sides a little bit. So I think that's pretty cool. I like that we're seeing a little bit of change here, and I feel like for the most part, it will positively affect us because if stocks are down and we're up, then we're winning. And if stocks are up, most likely, guys, if something very positive happens, crypto will go up as well. And obviously, you can't say that for everything. Stocks could go up and crypto could not go up. And we kind of have this relationship that I'm talking about right now. But for the most part, I think it's pretty different. And I honestly, I think it's pretty positive, guys. I don't have a problem with it. I think it's kind of cool. So 3, massive institutional inflows into crypto. Another big driver right now is ETF inflows. Spot Bitcoin ETFs recently saw hundreds of millions in new money flowing in, helping support the price even when stocks fall. When institutional money flows into ETFs, it creates steady buying pressure. Crypto can rise independently of equities, kind of independently of stocks. So I thought that was pretty interesting because we're winning right now. Stocks aren't. So yeah, that's all I have for you guys right now. I really did think it was interesting. I thought it was just to let you guys know and update you guys on why crypto is moving, why your XRP is doing good and stocks aren't. I looked at it and I was a little bit baffled, guys, because we usually see, and I know it's getting to where we don't see it as much, but see them move together. And we're not seeing that right now. And I actually want to, let's take a real quick peek, real quick before the video ends, to kind of check out what XRP is doing, get specifically. So his volume is up almost to 70%, market cap up a little bit. And yeah, things are green, guys. So that's what I want to touch on right there. Just things are green for crypto, things are red for stocks. And that is why. Now you know why crypto is succeeding and stocks are not right now. So thank you guys for watching. Remember, if you like what I'm doing, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share. I really appreciate all your guys' support. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.